Welcome to Get Your Life. Today we have another parole hearing in Louisiana. Former drug dealer. He was asked if he thinks that he has any victims, and he says no. Take a listen.
Our committee of parole is called to order. Today is Thursday, May 12th, 8:39 a.m. My name is Brendan Kelp. I'm with Ms. Cheryl Knox, Ms. Parole We're received DOC headquarters in Baton Rouge, East Baton Rouge, where remote locations, East Baton Rouge work release with staff and support. Please introduce yourself there.
Good morning, Shaquanta Davis, Administrative Secretary.
Thank you for being here. Ready for our first case? Please introduce yourself, state your name and DOC number for the record.
Damien Turner, 397549, sir.
All right, Damien, my name is Brendan Kelsey. You heard the introductions. My name is Brendan Kelsey. We'll be here for a parole hearing. We'll ask some questions. You can respond. At the end, you can make a statement. We'll take a vote. You understand the process?
Yes, sir.
Damien Harris, DOC number 397549. Damien Turner, 397549. Fourth class offender. Parole eligibility date 12/28/2021. Good time date 3/18/2023. Full term date 12/29/2036. 20-year sentence. Possession of cocaine, possession with intent to distribute cocaine, distribution of cocaine, methamphetamine, and methamphetamine. Does that sound correct?
Yes, sir.
Answer or not?
Good morning, Mr. Turner. Mr. Turner, how long have you been in jail this time?
Since 2016, ma'am.
6 years?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the longest period you've ever been in jail?
Since I'm gonna say 6 years and 5 months, something like that.
It's the longest, is it this time is the longest time?
Yes, ma'am.
So other than this time, what's the longest period you were in jail?
5 years, like 5 years and 6 months.
So when I look at your record, let's see, you were at the Steve Hole program in 2012. Did you complete that program?
Steve Hart program, yes, ma'am.
But I see you've had convictions since that time, so that program didn't work for you?
Yeah, I had work for me, ma'am. I was out there working, and it had got tight. It had got tight for me, and I did what I shouldn't have did. I had sold drugs, and I shouldn't have sold drugs. I take full responsibility of my actions, and I'm sorry about that. I was supporting my family during that time, ma'am.
You're saying you were a dealer, not a user this go around?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't use it all?
No, ma'am.
What you doing in work release?
In work release, I got 2 jobs now. I work at IHOP, and I work for Mr. College Temple. I've been having 2 jobs like 8 months now.
That's good. You're sending money home to your family?
Yes, ma'am. Anytime they need it, ma'am.
Good. Tell us, I see you got 395 days of good time. Is that program during this period in the last 6 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Or what's the program?
I can't exactly remember what's the program, but I was just taking them. Even if I didn't need them, I still was just taking them, ma'am.
You don't remember what they were?
I knew it was parenting, anger management, risk factors. I got my welding trade. It was a few of them, ma'am. It been like 19 I had got them, 18 I had got them, so I don't remember exact what the program was, but I was just taking them.
So when I look at your criminal, you have 4 different parishes of conviction. So you were traveling around. And so as part of the process, we check with those people in those areas to see how they feel about an early release for you. And as you can imagine, there's opposition from law enforcement in particular.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing you can do about it at this point, but you need to be aware of it. So as I'm reviewing your criminal history, I see a domestic violence conviction in 2001, sometime. Who was the victim of that?
Might have been me and my ex-wife got into it.
That was at home.
My ex-wife, man.
Do you have a relationship with her now?
We got an older son that we got a relationship dealing with our child.
All right, why do you think we should release you early? I'm concerned about it.
I feel like I'm 100% rehabilitated, and I've been having 2 jobs, and I'm planning on staying out here in Baton Rouge and keep my jobs. I lost my oldest son to the system, and I'm just trying to make it home and save my other 3 kids if possible.
Where do they live?
They live at home with my fiance, and we are up on my release date. We trying to come down this way, trying to come in Baton Rouge where I could keep my 2 jobs down here.
So have you taken any victim awareness classes?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I did. I took them classes.
Do you think you have, I didn't see that in the record, but do you think there's victims to your crime?
No, ma'am.
No?
I couldn't hear what she said.
To repeat it.
Can you please repeat it, ma'am?
Do you think there are any victims to your crime?
Any victims to your crime that you committed?
Oh, no, ma'am.
All right. I don't question. I have one question, sir. Is this the longest you've ever held a job?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am. 2 jobs.
But you're 42 years old today.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
How did it feel?
It feels good to know I can make honest money and hold on to it. You know, you appreciate it more.
Yes. That's all I have.
All right, staff, you have any input for us there?
Yes, sir. Damon, he's been housed here since August 21st of 20. He's been doing very well within the program, holding down his 2 jobs, full-time and part-time. Since he's been housed here, he hasn't had any disciplinary reports, and it's basically all I can really say about him at this point.
All right, thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome, sir.
Damien, would you like to make a statement on your behalf?
I'd like to let you know that I apologize for my wrongdoing and I take full responsibility of it. And if I could get a chance to society, I could promise you won't see the DOC number again or see me again. It will be the last goal. It's bigger than me now. It's about my kids. And I'm just trying to get out there and save them. That's all, sir.
Good. All right, thank you. It's found fair to vote.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Nonson.
Mr. Turner, I appreciate what you said. I like what you said. Sounds like maybe you're starting to think a little different. I'm a little concerned about your lack of awareness that there are many victims to your crime. Many, many victims. Whoever you sold those drugs to are victims.
Now,
Your family. I believe you could benefit. I'm glad you're doing well in work release. I'm glad you have a sense of pride for the jobs, both jobs that you have. But I can't vote for you today because of the law enforcement opposition. You have a poor history of revocation. And I think you have a need for additional programs. But I do wish you well, sir. Good luck.
Ms. Wise.
Mr. Turner, I'm glad as well to see things are going well, but I concur with my colleagues. My vote is to deny. I think you need a longer time there and stay on task and doing what you're doing. For the reasons already been stated on the record, I voted to deny as well, but I wish you well. Stay the course. This is a test.
that's not.
All right, you have 2 votes to deny. I'm also going to vote to deny for the same reasons as stated. Good luck to you. You've been denied today. We'll
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
Thanks for watching another episode of Get Your Life. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on so that you know when I post the next video. Thanks for watching.